If you want to be truly loved, this is a heartfelt advice. Let yourself be seen. We all want to be loved and wanted by others. But in order to be desirable, often it is required that we cut out parts of ourselves. And usually our parents and teachers, as we are growing up, and other members of the society have told us, don't be angry, don't be whiny, don't be greedy, don't be needy, don't be stingy, share with others. So these aspects of ourselves, we tend to hide. And it becomes a habit, hiding these aspects of ourselves. And we carry this tendency into our romantic relationships, into our intimate relationships in our adult life. We believe that in order to be desirable to our partners, we have to hide these parts of ourselves. But the result of doing this is exactly the opposite of what we want. If we want to be loved and we hide parts of ourselves, our partners can never fully love us. Logically speaking, even if your partners really love you, you feel they don't know me and that is why they love me. So you never feel fully loved, completely understood and seen by anyone. And that leads to carrying this sadness or a sense of loneliness, unwantedness all through our lives. Maybe you don't let your partner see that you're jealous or stingy or needy. Maybe something that affects you deeply, but you act like you're not affected, it didn't hurt you. And so there's no way for the other person in your life to know what's really going on with you. So if you want to be truly loved, this is a heartfelt advice. Let yourself be seen. And this can make you feel really exposed, really vulnerable. It's not easy to be seen fully, especially since we've been hiding these parts of ourselves throughout our lives. So it's a practice. It's a thing that we do or start doing slowly with ourselves. We let people in and we let them see who we are and we confront the fear that they will reject us. And as you are seen more, it's possible that your partners are able to take all of you in. But it is also possible that sometimes they just cannot make peace with who you really are. In that case, it's possible that that's not a good relationship for you. And you must consider that. And it's not worth hiding yourself all your life just for the sake of having a bonding or a relationship with someone. The good news is, in my practice, when I work with couples and I encourage them to be more authentic with each other, more free with each other, I find that the partners are actually not so surprised. They have already seen bits and pieces and glimpses of these aspects, which we think we have hidden very well. They have actually seen it. And moreover, they like the other person as a package, and these things don't affect them so much. So show yourself. You don't have to do it all at once. You can do it slowly, but make a decision that you will live more authentically and more freely. And only then you can experience what it means to be fully connected to someone else.